The last showing of Castle Blue here tonight on the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall, brought to you in association with Digicel and KFC. We are all over social media, so be sure to like Magnum Tonic Wine on Facebook and also follow us on Instagram at Magnum Tonic Wine for all the latest and up-to-date behind-the-scenes info. And remember that when commenting about the show, use the hashtag MKQ10. The last princess of the night has really grown in the space of time she has been here. Her voice is strong and powerful, and she has developed the confidence to match Vroom Vroom. It's Ali Ferrari.
Every herbalist in here wants on the gut, so. Yeah. From the nose, now put a pour down the nose. Wants on the gut, so. Me a real herbalist. Them just a watch the purpose come like them a journalist. Drug head boy no concern at this because you can't get a pull you down the serve of it now. Me a real herbalist. Them just a watch the purpose come like them a journalist. Drug head gal no concern at this because you can't get a pull you down the serve of it now. The higher than the rocket will take off in a space. So we take a one pull and now you can't see me face. Everything last can up in a me brain. Me a jump so no for the name of flap on the plane. Babylon a search and they time them a wheel stop scoring at the class. So me get the high grade. Me well charged up and me not joke. The gyal a now will no make because them not rolling. Me a real herbalist. Them just a watch the purpose talk like them a journalist. Jockey boy no concern and it's because you can't get a pull you down the serve of it now. Me a real herbalist. Them just a watch the purpose talk like them a journalist. Jockey gal no concern and it's because you can't get a pull you down the serve of it now.
Come on.
Let the push me brain grow fast so me light up. One pump I drink dripping like a pipe up. Straight to the brain, yeah the right but the right up. Big bright swell, are we nice up? Slice from the herb with the grabber when me slice. Babylon a cough and a sneeze like a virus. Get a don't tell them how we roll when we right. Split my like split from day till night so. And them a watch the purpose look like them a journalist.
Nah, man. Professor Nuts.
Oh my word, that was a powerful statement. Believe it or not. I know me like with your voice. It is powerful as the herb. I'm telling you, and believe it or not, you have me looking at you. I wonder if she real. And you just said the things, I like it. Believe it or not, we can't put you out of the equation. You have to be in here. You have a very nice voice. Ladies and gentlemen, as I crank up this magnum for this lady, we got to say big up to my brethren Balashon who make me look good tonight, but make we crank up the magnum for the herbalist. One more. Come again.
All right. Scatter. Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't expecting that. No, she sing that song like a general a while ago, don't it? I swear, I know say you puff and roll up more time, because the details that you're giving, that's something I'm glad so the thing are legalized. I swear, because police would have lock you up. They give you a whole heap of details, spliff a light, spliff and bag or something. You understand me? Here now. We love to see when a female step up and don't compete with female, them compete with the man them in our music. And as some see you deal with it a while ago, big up yourself, you're a real herbalist.